If you own or are just researching Revmaster engines, you'll probably come across the dreaded overcharging issue. And if you don't act fast, things are going to fry. In this video, we're going to dive into the issue and what I'm doing about it. Since it's a 12-volt system, we should be seeing 13 or 14 volts while charging, but anything over 14.6 is too much, but I've seen over 17 volts already. All you can do is shut off the master and reset the system. Revmaster blames it on AGM batteries, but owners have tested different types, having the same problem. So let's take a closer look. The charging system has two permanent magnet alternators that from the factory run all the time. Each alternator has its own voltage regulator, but there's the problem. Something funky happens, and they stop doing their job of, regulating voltage. So the consensus is that we need to split the alternators, so only one is charging the battery at any given time. And today we'll do that using a double pole, double throw switch. Using our handy meter, you can see that we can activate either alternator separately, with the center portion turning both off. In my last video, I put together another round of Weatherpack connectors to make a harness for the switch. Wiring is color-coded for each alternator, and the system can easily be returned to normal. Now we just have to hook it all up. Here's a top tip. Use heat shrink on the switch terminals to protect yourself from the current, and add some vibration damping to keep them tight. Let's fire it up and see if it works.
Currently I have alternator in the off position. We'll see if we need it on the left. Alright. Alternator is currently off. We're at 12.5 volts. Let's go left. There we go. 13 volts. 10.2, 33, 35. Let's see what that does. Put more load on. 14. Currently not at signal. Still at 14 volts. Switch off. Gonna be a lag there. Gonna start coming down because the alternator's not running. Go right. Feel any extra hot wires? More load. Off. Air's off. It's starting to drain down. Get that. Oh, we know it's working. That voltage regulator's working too. Off. Draining. Right. Alright, let's plug in this guy. Static's powering up here. That's when I've seen the problem before, was running that, having everything on. Alright. Right alternator, still only saying 13.2. Left alternator, 13 to 13.2, 13.3. Back signal only comes through the right alternator. Alright, I have to figure that out. Well, it's still charging with everything on. Strobe's off, nav off, ending light off. Now we're getting more charge. I put everything on there. 14. Alright, I think that's all we can do today. Rattle back, mixture off. Fuel, mags off.
Next up is to put circuit breakers on each circuit and fly this thing and see if we did the trick.
Why did I buy such a